took a very cold shower. Evidently, people have known for a very long time that cold showers are very beneficial for you, and they give you a lot of endorphins. They help you fight disease. It helps your metabolism. There's just a lot of good like health benefits that come with taking a cold shower. It's obviously not the most comfortable experience, but I gave it a go today and I feel really good actually. So I think I'm going to make that like this week's goal, is to just take cold showers. Also, I got in and out really quick, so it's saving money. I watched Matt DeVea's, I think is how you say his last name, video like last year about how important it is and good for you if you take cold showers. So I'll link it below for you guys if you haven't seen it or are interested in doing something like this. It helps like blood circulation and everything. So I don't know, highly recommend. Guys, I finally got a brand new banner for my channel. I'm very excited about this. It has been a long time coming. I had my old one for 2 years, maybe even more, but this looks really good. I'm really happy with it. Oh, hi, Ro. Just come on up. I have a video that is hopefully going up today. I'm going to try to do that really quick. What's going on? Why? What? Are they shorts? Are they biker shorts? They're Lululemon?
Look at the
biker shorts? Hold the phone. Just change right here.
They came out with a line shorts, and Remy texted me like a few months ago, and they were sold out, and they restocked, and she randomly texted me and was like, oh my god, they're restocked.
Oh?
Oh my god, I love.
They're perfect. Wait, they fit perfect.
Really?
Can I see?
Yeah. Wait, what are they?
The Lululemon Align shorts that just came out.
And they're the right length.
Can I feel?
I got the 7-inch.
Oh wow.
Oh, wow. Oh my god.
Do you love?
Yeah.
Tickles.
I don't need no break from you. That just makes me blue. When I'm in your company, I always feel bright.
Okay guys, I finally got my video up. I'm so excited that this is finally done. I've actually had this video in my hard drive for quite a while now, so I feel very good finally getting that out and finished. It is now 12:30, which means I'm probably gonna go have a snack and I'm gonna start cooking lunch because today is my day to cook lunch. You guys might remember we rotate in this household. That means each of us take a day and then we pick a couple days to order out, support local restaurants and stuff. But yeah, Fridays have always been my day. So I'm going to go downstairs and start cooking. Guess what time it is, ladies and gentlemen? It is the best time of the day. making a honey oat latte. Hopefully this is good.
I'm ready.
Come here.
No, come here.
No.
Who bought you shorts?
You could. Your Majesty.
I couldn't taste the honey at first.
But you got it at the end?
Yeah, I got it.
Because it's like thick on the bottom. Yeah. Kind of like a caramel macchiato. You get it. Hey guys. I haven't uploaded on my vlog channel in like a month because I've been in a bit of a funk. I tend to be a little more on the depressive side. If I'm not doing too great, then I usually kind of get in like emotional funks, and that's where I've been for the last month. I haven't felt capable of bringing you guys like an uplifting vlog, and I know that most of you guys will comment that my vlogs make you feel peaceful and they make you feel hopeful and happy, and they're very positive. And to be completely honest, I feel like this last month has been really dark, and I feel like I haven't been able to do that for you guys. Luckily, I had stocked up on a lot of videos for my main channel, so I've still been able to put those out because I had filmed them before I got in this funk. However, for vlogs, specifically this channel, it's very raw and it's very real, and I just didn't feel like putting up content that was fake or having to put on like a fake face and pretend everything's okay when it's not. So I just wanted to let you guys know I'm not going anywhere. I'm still gonna be vlogging. This has just been a hard time for me, and yeah, I needed to take some me time, but I'm back and I feel good. I'm not out of it, but I feel better now, and I feel like I have more control over how I feel. And I just really want to be honest with you guys. You guys have always been honest with me, and I like to think that this is a place where you can feel uplifted and comfortable and safe, and you know, hopefully I can do the same thing with you guys. So this is me just taking that first step, but I just wanted to say thank you guys for being so supportive, for being so encouraging for me, and even the everyday messages that say like, we miss you, please post more vlogs. It means a lot to me, and I hear you guys and you guys make me want to continue to do this every single day. So thank you so much for that. So yeah, I just really hope that in this time we're able to really pour into each other. So if any of you guys are feeling the way that I've been feeling, I hope that you know that you're not alone. I'm here. We can talk in the comments about it. A lot of you guys have been sending me the sweetest DMs on Instagram, which have just genuinely like made my day and made me cry, some of them. And I just love that we're able to like band together and get through this together. It means a lot. So that's all I wanted to say. I don't want this to be a sappy, emotional video. I just wanted to tell you guys thank you and let you know where I'm at. And yeah, that's kind of it. My latte ended up being exceptionally good, so that's exciting. And on that note, we're gonna continue vlogging. Guys, we have some super exciting news. A new plant came into the family today. This bad boy was actually shipped to me. I purchased it online from The Sill. Claudia Slutsky actually introduced me to this. I had no idea that you could even buy plants to be shipped to your house. I didn't realize that was a thing. Your girl has always just gone to like Home Depot or Lowe's. Big Lowe's fan. This is the first time I've ever done anything like this, but this cutie came potted and a little thirsty, but you know, we gave her a bunch of water and she's doing so well now. The leaves are starting to perk up a little bit, but I'm very excited for this little guy. Evidently, I can't decide which gender he or she is because I keep saying her and he. I think you guys probably already know what I'm thinking. I just recently got a new plant shelf that I don't think I've actually shown the vlog. I've done a main channel video showing this guy, but I don't think I've shown you guys yet. This little cutie is from Amazon. It is the perfect little plant shelf. I wanted something to go in this room. You may remember I have tall and in this corner, not tall in this corner, tall in this corner, and tall in this corner. So that made this corner a little bit awkward when you walked into the room. So I'm really excited. I think this will just add a lot to the corner. I don't know if I'm gonna keep this guy here. I do like the height he brings. For right now, he's gonna stay. Purchasing said plant was a little more expensive than, you know, you would pay at a regular plant store. I'm not gonna purchase a lot of them. I just felt like purchasing one. I'll probably get more pots and stuff when all of this quarantine nonsense is over. But until then, I think I'm gonna put them on that shelf really quick. Okay guys, really quickly, another thing I want to show you. Actually, I think I'm gonna turn that light off. It's much better. Another thing I want to show you guys is something else I got from Amazon. This won't apply to everyone, but if you have a shower, not a tub, and if it's a little bit bigger and you don't have anywhere to put your foot, that is the thing. That is the key here. If you have a shower that you don't have anywhere to put your foot on, I have the key for you. I just purchased this little foot shelf from Amazon. This thing is so cute, guys. It fits right in the corner of my shower, and it's really tiny, but it's just enough space for me to like put my foot on and shave and stuff like that. I'm really obsessed with it. It was only 20 something dollars, no more than 30, probably $24. I use it every single time I shower and I'm a big fan. So Amazon for the win again. A lot of you guys have been asking I can't talk. A lot of you guys have been asking on Instagram where this sweatsuit, this tie-dye sweatsuit's from. This is actually from one of you guys. A subscriber hit up Taryn and said that they had just started a brand new small business for tie-dye jumpsuits and sweatsuits and stuff like that. She's so sweet. It's a charitable thing, so you can buy your own jumpsuit and part of the proceeds will go to a charity that just needs help during this time. And I think she's incredible. I'm gonna have her linked in the description box so you guys can buy your own if you want. Maybe match with me. I have this one. Alicia has a blue one. Taryn has a brown one. We're obsessed. We've been wearing them nonstop. So yeah, check her out.